Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to share with you some phone charms that I've been making. I've been hooked since I received that beautiful gorgeous phone charm from Anna. Thank you, Anna. See, it's actually here hanging on my phone. It's so beautiful. So she got me addicted to making a bunch of these. I've made some for my girls and also for their friends. And so these are just a few that I made. A lot of the beads are from my stash, and I did get quite a few more from Hobby Lobby. And so I just made all these different kinds. So fun to make. So it's a mixture of glass beads, acrylic beads, and I had a bunch of Jessie Jane beads. So fun to make. So I wanted to make a case where I can store it in when I'm gifting them. And so this is what I made. Here's another one I made. So it has a little pocket in there, and then the closure is Velcro. I also made it to where I can hold my Flair buttons. So I get multiple uses out of these. You can also fit one of those pens that everyone, decorates, the one with the beads. There's another one. So again, so fun to make. So let me show you. It's really simple, actually. You just need a 4.5 by 12-inch paper. And the thing is, you just want to be mindful that it's a non-directional paper. In other words, because when you're making this part of it, the image won't go right side up. It's going more to the side. But that's if you're going to use just the one piece. So, like these ones, there's not really you can go either way. So floral prints, just really simple prints will, you can get away with. See, you can see how this one, the image is actually supposed to be this way. So just keep that one in mind when using just the full sheet, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to cut first. Well, actually, let's score it first. So we're going to score it. Get my score tool. All right. So you're going to score it at 2. So again, this is 4.5 by 12. You're going to score it 2 and then 1/2 inch. Okay. And then we'll cut. So now we'll cut it on the 12-inch side. We'll cut it at 8 inches. So we'll cut it 8. Okay. The next piece we're going to cut at 2 15/16. That's basically the first line before the 3-inch mark. So you just cut that. And this way the box will fit nice in this little cover. And then this stays the 1 inch. Okay. So let's get another scoreboard here because we have to do a little bit more scoring. So this is the cover, basically. Okay, so we'll just fold those scored lines. And then again, this makes the cover. This piece right here, this makes the closure. So you're just going to fold those score lines. That makes the closure. And then this piece is what makes the box. So on the 2 15/16 side, you're going to score at 1/2 inch. And then you'll flip it and score 1/2 inch. Okay. And then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut a slit right here. Do the same thing on the opposite side. And this makes the box. Okay. So just fold that in. And then you're going to take your adhesive. So I'm just using this art glitter glue here. So you're going to glue right here and then right here. It's really quick to make. Oops, those get tucked in. There you go. And you just build your little pocket here. Okay, and then now you're going to take your cover, and I like to put the box right up against the edge. So we'll do that. So we're going to do it to the bottom right here. Just want to make sure it's like right up against it. So when it closes nicely. And that's why I made the box a little bit smaller, so the cover can wrap nicely around it. Okay, and then you're going to take this part, and that's what makes the closure. So you're just going to glue the inside of the back. And then I just place it in the middle, basically. I just eyeball it, like so. Just make sure it's nice and straight. And then this side I add the Velcro piece. Okay, and then so it looks like that. All right. Okay, so just something really simple, you know, to package these in. Thought it would just be a cute way to gift these, you know, phone charms or flares. And then these bags, I bought these from Amazon. They're just these clear bags right here. These clear adhesive bags. And they fit nicely in the pocket. And there you have it. Just a fun little way to gift these little projects. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.